30 tickets? Whoa, that's a lot. I'm gonna put it in my bucket. Now anything else? What's this? It's a puppet bracelet. Well, I don't see any more. Let's go. What is this? It's a homemade squishy. Anything over here? A homemade dimple. I don't think that's a dimple too much, but whatever. I don't really see any. I have a little puppet. And what is this? 10 tickets. Nice. Both of those in there. Wait, what is that? A ticket to pick one, kick one. Press here. I'm gonna go. I think we gotta pick one and then we gotta kick one. This is a tiny little squishy that I don't even know. Whoa, it's cool. I wanna get this one. This homemade puppet with dimple, just a normal dimple. What's this? A squishy? I think I'm gonna choose this one. It looks like they're keeping all of those over there. A monkey noodle or this 𝚙𝚑𝚛𝚝 turtle? I'm gonna choose the monkey noodle. This puppet, this mini puppet, or this owl mochi, this big mochi. I'm gonna choose mini puppet. This mochi with no face and it's dirty, or this mochi that's a bunny and I'm gonna choose this one that still has a face also. This is my last choice, I think. This textured monkey noodle or this puppet bracelet.